In this video, I will show you how to get a referral reward on Wise. So what you need to do first is you need to open up your Wise, then go to the Home tab and then click on this Earn 90 Euro thing at the top right. And in order to get a referral reward on Wise, there are a couple of things that you need to do. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do for this. So first of all, you need to invite one of your friends, and then each of your friends will need to transfer and or spend on a Wise card at least 250 euro or dollar or something that is equivalent to this. So this total can be reached over multiple transactions, and same currency transfers do not count, and ATM withdrawals, gambling, crypto, and some other payments don't count either. So this is something that you need to keep in mind, and after you do all of these things, then you will earn yourself 90 euro. And what do your friends benefit from this? Well, your friends will get a free card or zero fees on a transfer up to 500 euro or something equivalent to that. So that is how it works. That is how you get a referral reward on Wise. And if you haven't started yet on Wise, and if you're looking to get started, then you can also sign up through the link in the description to earn yourself a nice welcome reward as well, absolutely for free without any risk. So that's it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.